Two matches now. Two matches I've taken a beating. I've taken an L. An ass whooping. Bled. Beat down. Lost. I'm starting to get the message that maybe I ain't supposed to be back. That maybe I'm not supposed to be doing what I'm doing. Took a vicious beating from a friend. And then took a vicious beating from two up-and-coming stars. True talents. In Manny and Xavier, who showed me that I should not be anywhere near a ring right now. I have bled. I have hurt. I have suffered. I've cried out in pain. And I have taken all the punishment that I am willing to take anymore. This is what I came back to. Blood, suffering, broken bones. This is not what's going to happen anymore. This is not VenomX per se. Usually, when I look like this, there's a belt over my shoulder or somebody standing behind me telling me that we've won. This is unacceptable. You can feel the wind changing as I speak. You can feel the heat in the room rising. You can feel a chill in your spine. One thing has been awoken. One thing has been revealed. The rest will show itself in time. Because this is not the face that you're going to see next time. This is not the face that's going to be the Godfather of Mayhem. For the Hexagon will be completed. We do not die. We do not die. We will not die. To the end.